Can you imagine a world where every vehicle zips down the road silently, powered not by petrol or diesel but by electricity? A world where the air is cleaner and our carbon footprint significantly reduced. That's the future SAMKU E-WORLD Private Limited is driving towards, and we're inviting you to join us on this journey. SAMKU, based in the vibrant city of Pune, is a leading manufacturer specializing in electric vehicle charging solutions. Our story begins with a simple idea: to revolutionize the way we fuel our vehicles and, in doing so, create a greener, more sustainable world. With a passion for innovation, sustainability and quality, we've dedicated ourselves to designing and producing high-quality, reliable and energy-efficient EV charging stations. They're not just charging stations. They are the gateways to a brighter and cleaner future. Our product range is as diverse as the needs of the world we serve. From fast-charging stations that power up your vehicle in no time to wall-mounted solutions designed for compact urban spaces, we've got you covered. Need to charge a fleet of vehicles for your business? Our fleet charging solutions are just what you need. Even at home, we bring the power of sustainable transportation right to your doorstep with our residential charging stations. But what makes our products stand out is their high-speed charging capabilities and smart charging features. With mobile app integration, you can manage your charging sessions right from your smartphone. Now that's what we call power at your fingertips. Quality and safety are at the heart of everything we do. We adhere to stringent quality control measures to ensure our charging stations meet international safety and performance standards. And we don't stop there. We're committed to minimizing environmental impact through the use of eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient manufacturing processes. SAMKU's reach extends beyond Pune, beyond India. We're on a mission to bring sustainable transportation to every corner of the globe. Collaborating with strategic partners and distributors, we're providing EV charging solutions to diverse markets. So, are you ready to embrace the future of transportation? Explore the world of SAMKU's products and services. Reach out to us via email at info@samkuev.com, visit our website at www.samkuev.com, or give us a call at 9730632367. Join SAMKU in driving the future of sustainable transportation. Together we can make a difference. Together we can build a greener, cleaner world.